Experiencing the server is busy. Please try again later error on Deepseek can be really frustrating. I totally understand how annoying it can be. But don't worry, I've got you covered with 9 practical methods to troubleshoot and resolve this issue. Trust me, the last method is my absolute favorite. Method 1. Refresh the page or app. Sometimes, simply refreshing the Deepseek page or restarting the app can clear up temporary glitches that trigger the server busy error. Method 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. Give your browser a fresh start by clearing its cache and cookies. This can remove any corrupted data that might be causing the problem. Method 3. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. An unstable connection can lead to repeated requests that overwhelm the server. Method 4. Avoid peak usage times. Try accessing Deepseek during off-peak hours. This can greatly reduce the chances of encountering the server busy error due to high traffic. Method 5. Delete chat history. Clearing all chat history from your user profile might help eliminate any cached files that could be contributing to the error. Method 6. Restart your device. A quick restart of your device can often clear temporary system issues and may resolve the problem. Method 7. Log out and log back. Sometimes, logging out of your Deepseek account and then logging back in can refresh your session and fix any temporary glitches. Method 8. Check Deepseek's server status. Take a moment to visit Deepseek's official status page or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. It's a good way to know if the problem is on their end. Method 9. Use a different country's server. This is my favorite trick. Open Microsoft Edge and install the TunnelBear VPN extension. Once installed, select a country other than your own in the TunnelBear interface, then navigate to Deepseek. This will route your connection through the chosen country's server and might grant you access to region-specific content. By following these methods, you'll be well equipped to troubleshoot and resolve the server is busy error on Deepseek. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel.